Kia ora, I'm Tu Pompey.
Kia ora, I'm Tawa, and we're down here in Rotorua.
Come hang out with us for the day.
The Youth Guarantee program run by Te Wānanga or Aotearoa has seen success with at-risk youth who would normally fall through the cracks using their passion for sport as a hook.
Our rangatahi come from all walks of life. Some of them have families that are engrafted into a lot of the different gangs that you see throughout the nation, but they come here, they're on the kaupapa, they're not here for their colours.
Oh well, school I used to be like real quiet and not socialising with anybody and just like a few friends. And then when I come onto this course and meet new people, it's like we're all family now.
You know, the best course I reckon is to come on, to get fit, you know, socialise with people that want to get fit as well, help you along, motivate you.
We get the opportunity to impact our rangatahi's lives in a positive way. Sports is the vehicle that we use to change their lives. They come in, they're rugged, they're haututu, but by the time they leave, man, they're fantastic.
Just the same as Mooks, you know, love everything, and they do come in haututu, but that's all right.
I just like gymming it, and I love muds.
Tutors Morks and Moruo have become both friends and male role models for their students.
Yeah, especially them being males. It's like it's easier for me to understand coming from males. There's less of a distraction.
This is like a whole family, like, yeah. And we just finished a CrossFit comp too, last term. Yeah, that was a mean day.
Coming into our environment, it's a safe environment where they can learn. It's a safe environment where they can excel and they're not left behind. There's a great support network around all our rangatahi throughout the motu, and they see the benefits of it.
#TeamCo!